My recent videos have focused on Active Directory. In total, there are 5 videos in which I've learned a lot, and I've developed a strong interest in pen testing within the Active Directory environment. It's a vast realm to explore and exploit. I still have much to learn, and I believe that creating my own lab has been instrumental in this process. That's why I highly recommend that you do the same. Set up your own Active Directory and understand how the configurations can make domain users vulnerable, among other things. I suggest you watch all 5 videos I created, starting from setting up the lab, creating vulnerable users using Bloodhound for enumeration to privilege escalation in Active Directory. A few days ago, I published a write-up on my GitHub about a useful tool I found there. It automates the creation of a vulnerable Active Directory, allowing you to test most Active Directory attacks in your local lab. Some of the attacks are ones we manually demonstrated in previous videos. In that write-up, I explained how to exploit the Zero Logon vulnerability, which you can find on my GitHub. Today, I won't go into details about that, but I highly recommend checking it out on my GitHub. Today, we're going to learn how to exploit a SMB vulnerability, better known as the Eternalblue exploit. I'm making this video because I realized that the Active Directory we set up on Windows Server 2016 is vulnerable, and exploiting is incredibly easy and fast. The first thing to do is clone the Whatawit repository. Inside, you will find the checked.py script, which should be run with Python 2, and your victim machine's IP has an argument. This script will tell you if the system is patched and provide the named pipes you can use to exploit the vulnerability. You can choose any named pipe. If one doesn't work, you can try another. We have several scripts to choose from, but I'll be using the zzexploit.py script. It's straightforward to use, but you will need to make some edits before running it. Open this script in your preferred text editor. Look for the smb-pound function, which created a file on the victim machine. However, our goal is not just that. We want to gain access to the victim machine. So comment out those lines and uncomment the service exec line. Modify this line to execute a command that downloads the netcat binary from your machine to the victim machine through a shared resource created with InPacket's SMB server. Then the victim machine will execute netcat, establishing a connection with your machine, granting access to the victim machine as NT authority. And that's how we have taken advantage of an older vulnerability that may still be active on some systems. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment or two. Until next time.